Cool. Okay, so we're going to do a little demonstration of one of the passive transport types that we've seen. And you can use, this is a compost bag. And the compost bag has tiny little holes. Thankfully they're not big enough for most of the stuff we put in them to pass through, but they are big enough for solution, really tiny solution particles like water and sometimes little things that are dissolved in the water to pass through. The other thing you could use is dialysis tubing, but dialysis tubing costs money, so we only have so much of it. But dialysis tubing is commonly used in lab situations to change whatever the solution is that something is dissolved in. When you start out, it's hard, but as soon as you wet it, quite a difference. So it's really flexible and pliable. It can rip easily too, so you have to be careful when you're handling it. You should really use gloves, which of course I don't have on right now. I didn't prepare enough. Alright. And to get the end open, you kind of work it between your fingers. Not being overly cooperative, I'll let it a little more. So we're going to put some starch inside. Okay. Put some starch inside. So this is a starch solution, it's just cornstarch in water. And put starch inside of it. So what's starch made up of? Do you remember?
It's a carbohydrate.
Yep, it's a complex carbohydrate. So it's made up of a whole bunch of units stuck together by covalent bonds. It's the way that plants will store this type of molecule. Do you remember what? It's a whole bunch of, tidy end. Not putting you on the spot. It's a whole bunch of glucose units that are covalently bonded together. So there's starch in the dialysis tube. And we're going to do the same kind of thing. So I'm going to get you to hold that. Just for a minute. We'll do the same kind of thing in this bag, in the compost bag. And then we're going to put them into solution and see what happens to them. Oops. If I was prepared, I'd have that all ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to put other starch into the compost bag. Just for comparison, so you can see that it does work with the compost bag as well. I'm going to tie a knot so that you can't get out. Let's try that again. It's just a simple way of modeling what happens with diffusion. Alright. To hold on to that one, and we'll prepare a solution with iodine in it. So, if you remember from the first lab, iodine is on its own kind of a brownish yellowish color. So we're going to put some iodine in here. Move it around a little bit. Oops. Alright, so that is just water with iodine in it. Okay, so when we put these in here, anything that's small enough will be able to pass through the membrane. Okay, so it'll pass through the dialysis tubing and it'll pass through the bag. So we're going to see what happens to these. So imagine and think about, okay, so in the solution they're in is just water and iodine. And iodine is really tiny molecules. Inside of the bag is starch. If you remember, if iodine is able to reach starch, something's going to happen.
The starch turns black.
Right. The iodine and starch react together and turn black. So we're going to see what happens in this case.